Are you ready to elevate your skincare game? A solid routine can transform your skin, keeping it clean, hydrated, and protected. Let's dive into how to build your perfect skincare plan, tailored just for you. Your skincare routine is essential for maintaining healthy skin. It should always include a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Depending on your skin type, normal, dry, oily, combination, or sensitive, you can add treatments and products that target your specific concerns. Start by identifying your skin type to customize your morning and nighttime routine. Normal skin is balanced and clear. Dry skin feels rough and may itch. Oily skin tends to shine and break out. Combination skin has oily areas and dry patches. Sensitive skin reacts easily to products, often appearing red or itchy. In the morning, start with cleansing to remove overnight dirt and oil. Use a gentle, alcohol-free cleanser. For dry skin, consider an oil-based cleanser. Splash lukewarm water on your face, apply the cleanser, rinse, and then pat dry. Next, consider using a toner if you have dry or acne-prone skin. Toners can hydrate or cleanse leftover oil. Soak a cotton pad and lightly pat it onto your face, focusing on oily areas. For targeted concerns, apply spot treatments or serums. A morning serum full of antioxidants, like vitamin C or niacinamide, can brighten and protect your skin from environmental damage. Gently tap the serum into your face and neck. Don't forget your eye cream. Dab it under your eyes to hydrate and reduce puffiness. Next, moisturize your skin thoroughly to seal in hydration. Even oily skin needs moisture to prevent excess oil production. Use a lightweight moisturizer if your skin is oily or a richer formula for dry skin. The final step in your morning routine is sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF of 30 or higher to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Remember to reapply every 2 hours. Now, let's transition to your evening routine, where the focus shifts to removing impurities and nourishing your skin overnight. Start by cleansing to eliminate the day's grime. If you wear makeup, consider double cleansing to ensure your skin is entirely clean. If you choose to use toner at night, this can help hydrate your skin or remove leftover residue after cleansing. You can also incorporate exfoliating toners a few times a week to promote fresh skin. Continue with targeted treatments for acne or dark spots as needed. Consider using a nighttime serum. Opt for one that meets your skin's needs, whether hydrating, exfoliating, or acne-fighting. You can also choose to apply an eye cream at night to bolster hydration around the eyes. Finally, use a heavier night cream or your standard moisturizer to lock in moisture overnight. If you want to amp up hydration, consider using a face oil. In summary, a consistent morning and evening skincare routine is vital for healthy skin. If you need help, consult a board-certified dermatologist for personalized advice. Ready to commit to healthier skin? Start your skincare journey today. Like, share and subscribe for more skincare tips.